We had some problem today when my COO contacted farmer cooperatives in Atok Benguet. So we're having a hard time messaging them. So I just like to reach out to the locals in Atok, maybe even people from nearby towns like Tublay, Benguet, La Trinidad, Benguet, and Itogon, Benguet. Because what Passport Turtle wants to do is to help smallholder farmers. Now, we cannot help them if we cannot reach out to them. We cannot contact them. So, yes, we're from Manila and we can easily go there. But for now, we are building a community and raising funds. It will take time for us before we bring the money to one of the regions there in Benguet province and start the coffee project there. So, if you're watching this video and you're a local in one of the towns that I mentioned, please reach out to me so that you can help me and my team reach out to the smallholder farmers. So it could be anywhere near Baguio City. And we can start first with probably 5 to 10 farmers. I'm not really sure about the numbers. We can start first with a few hectares of land. But we want some existing farms so that we can, our experts can now help them with their aging trees. But at the same time, we have probably new varieties and sustainable coffee seedlings so that they can plant it in their farm, in their land. Okay? So please reach out to me and my team. And you could be very helpful so that we can speed up the process of partnering up with smallholder farmers there. So this is going to be a good project and you will also benefit from it. The details I'll explain in the coming days. But for now, we need your help.